Yo. Yo. Hey everyone. Welcome to a live stream. I tried live streaming earlier, but then I stopped. Sorry, I'm just checking my channel to see if the streaming works. I know nobody watches me, but I don't do it for that. I do it for because it's fun. I like sharing my work, and you know, there's always a chance somebody might come. Anyways, let's go. Let me just open HPy tab, you know, on the side. I'm gonna close all of this. Let's go. We're making a game. Let's see. I want this game to be a survivalish RPG, card-based location travel hack and slash game. I know this is like kind of random. I mean, pretty random to me, but I do think this will work out. Okay, so first let me create a couple folders. We're gonna have the code folder. Yeah, that's it for now. Actually, no. We're gonna have a graphics folder too, but there should be a sound folder, but I don't know when. In the code folder, let me add a file called player. No. We're gonna do entity.py. We're gonna do. What else do we need? Location.py. And extras.py. So in the extras part, I'm gonna do width is equal to that, is equal to that, and maybe potentially some other effects, but for now this is it. Let me import pygame. Why does the stream quality just drop to like 144p? I don't understand. We're gonna have a game loop while true for event in pygame.event.get if event.type is equal to pygame.quit pygame.quit system.exit. Okay, this is just creating a screen. Well, it's not creating a screen, it's making the screen not crash immediately. Pygame, I'm just setting up some basics. No. I will work on the entity in a second. Let me just take off my watch. It's like hurting my hand, honestly. What else do we need? Screen is equal to pygame.display.set. Okay, from extras. Actually, you know what? How about that? Okay, we have a basic window. That's very great. Let me call the thing here. What do we need? We need an entity now. So I'm gonna create a entity class. Whoops. Entity. Also, sorry, I'm a pretty slow typer and I have to look at the keyboard. Yeah, I know it sucks, but it is what it is. Let me just do that. Okay, so what does an entity have? Well, okay, let me think. It has probably attack damage, health, and that's pretty much it for now. And an image and pause. Damage, health, pause, and what about image? So we're gonna start with the image. No, yeah. Self.image is equal to pygame.image.load. This basically will load it. Actually, no. Very wrong. I shouldn't be doing this. I should be doing it like this. And then, so basically what I'll say, if when I put the info here, it will put it here. Ah, my English isn't the best. So every time I make, oh my god, my brain's lagging. But you should understand how this works. So what else does a player class need? Self.damage is equal to damage. Self.health is equal to health. Self.rect is I'll explain in a second. Nice. We got this is just saying the position is the top left of the image or the rect or whatever you call them. We're gonna do another function. We're gonna draw entity. Oh, and just so I don't forget, I'm gonna do a update, and we're gonna do self.draw entity. That's it for now. Like I will add more functions, but this is it for now. We're gonna do. Oh wait, I totally forgot. Okay. Totally forgot. How am I gonna loop this? I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Give me a second. Okay, so what I think I'll do. Okay. I have an idea. We're gonna go back here. I'm gonna add this parameter is gonna be display. So then we can do display dot blit. We're gonna do self.image self.rect. Okay, great. Now that I've done this, I can go back in here and I can say from entity import entity. Also, sorry guys if the stream quality is low. It does it by itself. I promise it's not, but it is doing that for some reason. So we're gonna say enemy1 is equal to oh my god, this is so stupid. Entity. Okay, what does the entity need? Damage, health, pause, name. Damage is 55, health is 55. This is way too much. Enemy.png and pause for now is gonna be 64. Now let me just go and get a test sprite. Oh, this is gonna be an issue. Wait, somebody's on the stream. I just realized. 2 people on the stream. That's me and me watching from my phone. Just confirmed that everything's alright. Enemy.png entity. Entity.png. No. It is entity 1.png. And we're gonna do entity dot enemy 1 dot draw entity. Oh, forgot to do this. Screen dot fill black. Not a file or object. Okay, what did I mess up with? Image is equal to pygame the image dot load name. Oh, yeah, I get what I messed up with. We're gonna do this and then this. Now this should work. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna deal with this later. I'm just gonna move it in. I just want to test it out. Forget the folders. I'm gonna deal with that later. I've always had an issue with folders. From import. No. No. Oh, thank God it didn't install. Why is it not working? Because it's not in there. Great. Now it should work. Yes, there we go. It finally worked. This is a very, very basic entity, but it works. It's on the screen. Let's go. I'm probably gonna fix the folders in my free time, but I need to do some research about that. I don't know how to do the folders. Okay, we're gonna do def draw player. We're gonna do player input. I mean, honestly, I'm not the best coder. I don't code. I mean, I do code. It's just I'm not the best. And def player. No. Def monster attack. Okay, now let me fill these out. This is basically gonna be the same. You know what I could do? Self.display is equal to pygame dot surface dot get. No, I think it's a small s surface. No. I'll do this later. Sorry. I know I keep saying I'll do this later a lot, but I'm a little bit under pressure because I'm live streaming and there's one person watching me. Player input keys is equal to pygame.key.get pressed. If keys pygame dot ka if self dot turn is equal to greater than 1. well, that's not gonna work out. We clearly need a player class. So let me go to new, click player.py. Great. Actually, I'm just gonna copy paste this because I have it, and why not? Uh, and we're gonna do dot. No, we're not gonna do that. Not yet. And we're gonna do the position 128 to 50. Great. What did I mess up this time? Oh, yeah. Player dot draw entity. Look, two things. One's the player, one's the entity. Okay. Player, one's the entity. Okay. Now that that's settled, I think I'm gonna work on the classes a bit more, and one more class which I will need. Okay. First, let me go here. Let me say self dot display is equal to, I don't know. Oh, that's amazing. It still works. Okay, great. Now that that's settled, I could do def update self dot draw entity, and we can just copy paste this to the player one. And it still works. That's fantastic. Okay. Let's do UI.py. Import pygame class UI. Def init, that's the default constructor. What does a UI need? A UI needs, okay. Let me explain why I'm making the UI. I'm making the UI so I can do some sort of attacking based system now, where the player and enemy can fight each other. Once that's done, I will work on some sprites, and then I will work on maybe some other game mechanics, and then the stream should be over. Which I'm not gonna be done, but that's the point of a stream. Okay, let's go. So great, we have the entity. I figured out how to do this, update it, and I figured out how to do the player here too, which I will add keys for it later, shortcuts for the UI system. But yeah, let me do pass for now for me to add the parameters. So it needs a pos, a image, a, that's it for now. Self, no, I keep mixing these up. Self dot image is equal to pygame dot image dot load name. So every time I say name, it's going to take the file name and put it in here. Self dot rect is equal to self dot image dot get rect. This is just getting a rect for it. Self dot rect dot top left is equal to pos. This is setting the position of the rect to top left, which is really handy because on the computer things get rendered from left to right. And now let's get started with the real deal. I'm gonna just create this for now. I know, kind of stupid, but I keep forgetting that every time. So we need to do draw UI. I know I'm drawing so much shit, but I just need to set it up. So we will do self dot this. Oh my god! You know, I'm just gonna go here and copy this because I've already written it. Self dot display dot blit self dot image and then self dot rect. You know what? Because I won't have sprites for some time, I'm gonna do def text. I'm gonna say input. This is going to be what each button does. So we're gonna say font is equal to pygame.font none 45. Text is equal to font dot render. So it's gonna be on self dot display. It's going to be black, white. It's wait, we forgot this anti-aliasing, and this is gonna be false. No, I think I forgot something. Yeah, I forgot. This isn't right. Text input, and we're gonna do then self dot display dot blit text, and we're gonna do it at self dot rect. Great. So now we can do self dot draw UI and self dot text. This is like very basic stuff. Text info, just text info, just so they don't get mixed up. I'm gonna go back in here. From UI import UI. So what did I put? Image? Okay, I'm gonna do I'm gonna put them at 128 128 356, actually 356. And does it have the update function? Yeah, it does. First button dot update. Great, now it should have a button. Wait, what did I do? Bruh. What is the difference? I don't understand. Oh, yeah, I know what the difference is. This is probably misspelled. Oh, it swapped around. Okay. So I can just put it like that. It should work now. Now, oh my god, what is wrong now? Text input. Oh, yeah. But Now it should be working. Great. Now now I'm gonna work on clicking it. Just once I make the clicking function, I'm gonna make it so. I know that's not how I spell. Actually, let me just do it. Def. We're gonna say mouse inputs. Let's see what a mouse needs. A mouse needs. Okay. If self.rect.collide point mouse pause and mouse press, let's say 0, self dot image, wait, pygame dot transform dot scale self dot image, we're gonna say 128, 128. Actually no, that's way too big. Oh yeah, I know what I messed up. Mouse input. If self-direct collide direct, what could be wrong? Print K. Yeah, I know what the issue is. This doesn't work quite. So we're gonna do this for now. Print you have gotten a okay, great. Another, you have gotten another apple. We're gonna give ourselves 3 apples, and we're gonna do this. Now, great. I'm messing up something though. It's not showing up the word apple. Where did I mess up? Oh, I know where I messed up. I can say pause. Let's say 900 900x 100. That should do it. Okay, I'm messing something up. I know what it is. Self dot what the hell? Oh my god, look at them math problems, bro. This is math problems. Jimmy has 5,812 apples. What is his problem? No, I got a better one. Jimmy has 5,812 apples. How do you make the atomic bomb? Oh my god, those are the best. Great. But what if that's just pretty lame? What if I want something else? This is just like what if pygame dot draw rect self dot display blue self dot rect 2. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Great. Now we have something that works. Honestly, this blue button function thing, this is not just useful for this testing phase. It's pretty useful. Like, let's say I'm clicking something around, it's gonna like I'm clicking in UI right now. But also I want to remove this apple shit just for testing purposes. Lol. This is really cool. Second button is equal to, let me just copy paste this. Let's say 412. Now, look at this. Wait. Wait. Yeah, it's wrong. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, look. Now we have 2 buttons. Isn't that amazing? Two buttons. That's really amazing. Also, will you stop printing +1 apple? I'm thinking. We should probably append these at some point, but not now. Okay. These will be like your main items. You would have to how would this work? these would be your main items, and you would have to waste like a turn. You would have to waste your chance to attack the enemy to go to your inventory, and the enemy, there's a chance, I mean, it's like, imagine the enemy could attack you. So I'm gonna add four items can be like your main quick slot. So let's do this. Third, width divided by 2. Width divided by 2. Great. So third would be width divided by 2. This would be minus 64 minus 128. Great. Now we're just gonna copy this. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. No, I messed something up. Let's see what I messed up. Ah, wait, I know what I messed up with. We could. That's 10. So 5, 3, 31. No, it's 2. What am I thinking? Let's say it's 2 spaces per each. That would be now it should be, yep, it's properly spaced. Let's go. This is gonna be height divided by 0.5. Height divided by 2. Let's say plus 200. One hundred 56. Yeah, perfect. Great. Now we have some sort of inventory. I'm gonna start swapping out these sprites and implementing. But great, we have some sort of inventory now. That's really fun. Look, I can even scroll. I mean, I could implement it to scroll, but not now. Look, it doesn't show the blue square when I click it here. When I click here, it shows the blue square. That's amazing. Okay, let's close that and keep moving on. I know, very, very messy here. Bruh. Wait, what? Okay, let me do... What should I do now? I think probably the attacking system and turn system. So we're gonna make a turn.py. Turn def in it. Somebody's watching the stream. Yo! It makes me feel less lonely in the stream, but thanks for clicking on my video. So we're gonna do import by... Oh, wait. Oh, I messed up. I don't think you can type, can you now? Let me change that. Sorry, my bad. Anyone? Is that better? Yeah, I hope you can type now. Okay, let's get back to programming. Self.player turn is equal to 1. Self.player finished turn is equal to false. Self.monster turn is equal to false. And actually, wait. From player import player. From entity import entity. And you know what I'm gonna do now? Self dot. I'm gonna copy this actually, because it's if I'm gonna bring this to the main game loop, there's no point for it to be here anyways. Self.player is equal to blah, blah, blah. Def update pass def this shouldn't be here. This should be here. Player turn. If self.player finish turn is equal to true. Wait, no. False. I know I can do and, but I don't like doing it. If self.player. Wait, did I not add the turn? Count. Player turn count is equal to or is bigger than 1. Then we want what do we want? The player should be able to attack, so we should say if keys pygame.ka keys is equal to pygame.key.getPressed. We're gonna say I really need this here, but at the same time it needs to be down there. We're gonna say self, wait, no, enemy self dot enemy 1. No, yeah, I'm messing something up. Let me check. I know what I'm messing up. This should not be here. The self bit. So we're gonna do take this and we're gonna put it in here. Enemy dot perfect health minus player dot damage. print enemy dot health self dot player. Oh, self dot I'm messing something up. Oh, I know what I'm messing up. There. Okay, let's go back to the main menu and let's call this. So we're gonna say turn is equal to turn from turn import turn, and we're gonna say turn dot update. Let's see, it's probably not gonna didn't work, but that's all right. I'm learning. I'm developing. This game's gonna be good one day. Let's say that. Where are we messing up at? Let's see. Let's move that here. Wait. Did it take damage? Did it take damage? So how much does the player do damage? Let's go back. The player does 27 damage, and yeah, it worked. It definitely worked, but for some reason it's not showing it. Let's move that bit back. As you can see, it definitely took damage because the health is 155. So it definitely took damage. But I'm thinking. What am I doing wrong? Let's see. No. Would it work now? No, wait. Yes, it works. This is what I have to do. I don't have to take this. This was pretty dumb. Pretty dumb. I can put it back in here. And I can say enemy1 dot update player dot update. Great. I don't know what I thought there for a second, but that was pretty stupid. Player self dot monster health player damage. So let's go back to the entity and let's say shit, I messed something up. It's definitely. Oh wait, no, it's just stupid. Terrain has no attribute. Okay, I get it, bro. Solve the monster health is equal to. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I don't know how to do this. If anyone could advise me, that would be nice. Wait, do I have to player? What about that? Still doesn't work. Okay. Type object entity has no attribute monster health. Well, I think the stream. I'm gonna wrap up the stream soon. Thanks for coming, guys. I gotta solve these problems by myself, but see ya.